Well, at least for me, this is my ultimate gaming PC, my Noctua theme build, 2.5 years in the making. We've got 3 intake fans. All 3 fans were 120 millimeters. We've got 3 exhaust fans, and again, all 3 120 millimeter fans. And to cool off the CPU, I have Noctua's NHD15. It is a dual tower heatsink, and on that heatsink, I have 3 fans. 3 140 millimeter Noctuas. And of course, the centerpiece of this build is Asus's Noctua's 3070 OC Edition. It is a 4-slot graphics card, and this thing is ginormous, but it looks beautiful in this build. And with this 3070 GPU, you can see we have 2 120 millimeter Noctua fans cooling this GPU off. So in total, there are 11 Noctua fans in this rig. And to finish off this build, I got myself some cable extension sleeves from Asiahorse off of Amazon. I finally got the right Noctua colors. There's for the GPU, and you can see right there for the 24 pin. Now going back to the graphics card, this massive graphics card, 4-slot graphic card, it has some massive sag. So to compensate for that sag, I used one of my dog tags from my military days to hold that up, and you can see it right there. It is unintrusive and it does the job. And I have this Noctua gaming PC housed in Corsair's 4000D airflow. I do have the side panels off and the front panels off just to showcase the Noctua fans.